Learning is a fundamental human activity. We are lifelong learners, constantly acquiring new knowledge and skills. Understanding how we learn can significantly enhance our ability to learn effectively. This is where the science of learning comes in. The science of learning draws on many fields, including cognitive psychology, education, and neuroscience. Cognitive psychology explores mental processes like thinking, memory, and problem solving. Education focuses on teaching and learning practices. Neuroscience examines the brain and its role in learning. By studying how the brain learns, researchers gain insights into effective teaching and learning strategies. These insights can help educators design engaging lessons, develop effective learning materials, and create supportive learning environments. Understanding the science of learning is crucial for both educators and learners. Educators can use this knowledge to improve their teaching methods and help students reach their full potential. Learners can use it to develop effective learning strategies and become more successful in their studies. Brain versus mind. What are the differences? At its simplest, mind refers to our ability to think, feel, and engage in physical activity. The brain, on the other hand, refers to the physical organ in our head that supports these functions. Here are 3 key differences between the two. The brain is composed of neurons and blood vessels. On the other hand, the mind is abstract and is not made up of any neurons or blood vessels. While the brain controls a person's movements, emotions, and various bodily functions, the mind alludes to a person's morality, reasoning, and understanding. The brain is a physical organ. It can be touched or seen. However, the mind is intangible. It can neither be touched nor seen. There are many debates about the differences between the brain and the mind. However, one thing is for sure. Mind skills can be trained, while brain function cannot be changed. Mind skills such as decision-making, problem-solving, creativity, and communication can all be trained over time to increase the effectiveness of a person's mental processes. To sum up, the brain and mind are 2 very distinct concepts. The brain is a physical organ, while the mind is an intangible concept. While both are essential to a person's functioning, the brain is responsible for physical functions, while the mind is responsible for abstract thought and emotion and is not bound by the same physical laws as the brain. Several key theories have shaped our understanding of learning. These theories provide frameworks for effective teaching strategies. Behaviorism focuses on observable behaviors and reinforcement. Learning occurs through stimulus and response. Cognitive psychology emphasizes mental processes in learning. Learning is an active process of constructing knowledge. Constructivism emphasizes the learner's role in constructing knowledge. These theories have impacted educational practices and strategies. Behaviorism has significantly influenced classroom practices, particularly in shaping classroom management techniques and instructional strategies. Teachers can use behaviorist principles to create a positive and productive learning environment. One common application of behaviorism is the use of positive reinforcement. Teachers can use praise, rewards, or privileges to motivate students and encourage desired behaviors. For example, a teacher might give a sticker to a student who completes their work on time, or offer verbal praise for a well-thought-out answer. Another application is shaping, which involves breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Teachers can use shaping to teach students new skills or behaviors by reinforcing successive approximations of the desired behavior. Behaviorism also emphasizes the importance of consistency and clear expectations in the classroom. Teachers should clearly communicate their expectations for behavior and consistently apply consequences for both positive and negative behaviors. While behaviorism provides valuable tools for managing student behavior and teaching basic skills, it's crucial to recognize its limitations. Cognitive psychology offers insights into how people learn, leading to effective teaching strategies. Active learning is key. Students learn best when engaged, not just passively receiving information. This has led to strategies like group work, discussions, and problem-solving activities. Prior knowledge is crucial. New information is best understood when linked to what students already know. Metacognition, or thinking about thinking, helps students monitor their learning and use effective strategies. Constructivism, a prominent theory in education, emphasizes the learner's active role in constructing knowledge through experiences and interactions. This theory has significantly influenced teaching methods, promoting student-centered learning environments. Constructivism encourages educators to design learning experiences that allow students to explore, experiment, and draw their own conclusions. Instead of simply delivering information, teachers guide students to discover knowledge for themselves. Project-based learning is a prime example of constructivism in action. Students engage in complex, real-world projects that require them to apply their knowledge and skills to solve problems and create tangible outcomes. This approach fosters collaboration, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. Inquiry-based learning is another constructivist approach where students learn by asking questions, investigating, and drawing conclusions based on their findings. This method encourages curiosity, critical thinking, and a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Constructivist classrooms are student-centered, where learners actively participate in their learning journey. Teachers act as facilitators, guiding students to construct their own understanding and make connections between new and existing knowledge. As we continue to unravel the complexities of the human brain, the science of learning will play an increasingly vital role in shaping the future of education. By understanding how our brains learn best, we can design more effective and engaging learning experiences for all. Technology will likely play a significant role in this evolution. Educational technologies can be tailored to individual learning styles and needs, providing personalized learning experiences. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can offer real-time feedback and adapt learning pathways based on student progress. Neuroscience research continues to provide valuable insights into the brain mechanisms underlying learning and memory. This knowledge can inform the development of new teaching strategies and interventions that optimize learning for all students. The future of learning lies in a scientific approach that blends the best of educational research, cognitive psychology, and neuroscience. By embracing this interdisciplinary perspective, we can create learning environments that empower students to reach their full potential and become lifelong learners. I hope you enjoyed today's Mindset Minute. If you did, sign up for our podcast and our social channels. Remember, to realize the highest level of success in you requires that you invest the best in you. The Architects of Excellence is a community for like-minded people, entrepreneurs, and those who desire the best that life has to offer. If that's you, you're in the right place, and we look forward to serving you, whether as an executive or life coach, mentor, business wellness consultant, or just a friend among friends. So, smash that like button, subscribe, and see what's on tap here tomorrow as you write the new story of your life with us today.